So I can see people joining in the session. We will wait for like few seconds. Let me just see how many people join in, and then we can basically start with the session today. I can see people waving at me. Hi, hello, good evening. So we'll just wait for a few seconds, and please keep patience till then, and we'll start off with the sessions today. I hope everybody can hear me now. Okay, so I can see a few students and people have joined in. So let's start with the session, and we'll any student which comes in between, they can ask their question at the end of the presentation and I shall answer them. So let me just introduce myself. Hello everybody, good evening. This is Tulika and I am a counselor at Advise. I hope that everyone is doing great and keeping yourselves motivated to fulfill your dream of studying abroad. In today's session, we are basically going to talk about how UK is the hub of engineers and how studying any engineering discipline in UK can lead you to penetrate job markets not just in United Kingdom but anywhere in the world. If you have specific questions at the end of this presentation today, please drop your messages in the chat regarding your queries about admissions in UK universities and I will answer them all. So let's start with today's presentation. UK, as we all know, has one of the best universities and they have vast variety of engineering courses from which students can basically choose from. When it comes to engineering, UK is basically ranked 5th in the world for innovation, and we have pioneered all manner of engineering marvels, from steam power and aeronautics to iconic designs like the world's fastest car, the supersonic thrust. For people who want to go to UK for engineering, you can study a bachelor's degree in UK for such as BEng or appropriate BSc. The duration of these degrees are 3 years and some universities offer an additional sandwich year within your degree. BEng graduates may become incorporated engineers. A BEng degree is worth 360 credits in the UK. However, BEng graduates can go to study a separate MSc with the option to then progress to PhD work, or they can have a career in various fields. Now let's talk about the UK MEng degree. The UK MEng is normally an integrated degree, which is a 4-year undergraduate degree, but some programs may offer the opportunity to study the MEng as a 5-year sandwich degree program with 1 year spent on a professional placement, and that is very common in Scotland. At the postgraduate level, you can choose specialized MScs. These are normally 1 or 2 years, usually in length, labeled as MSc engineering courses. A master level is worth 120 credits in the UK. Both qualification, MSc or MSc engineering, prepare you to qualify as an engineer in UK, provided your master's program is recognized by the UK Engineering Council. You will normally have to complete further training and professional qualification before gaining chartered engineering status. A UK engineering degree allows you to begin building a solid understanding of the essentials from day one and will help you understand the foundations and base of the subjects so you can begin exploring new ways of approaching challenges in your chosen specialism. Engineering courses in the UK are often shorter than many countries, which means that you can take your qualification out into the industry that much sooner and start looking for jobs as early as possible. Which means that it is also going to be a very, very intensive course and a qualification that will open doors for work opportunities wherever you go. The compact modular courses are like basically there is aeronautical engineering, there is chemical engineering, civil engineering, then computer engineering, electrical engineering, the very popular mechanical engineering, material science. Students also go for medical engineering, then they have nanoscience, they have power engineering, communications engineering, then there is structural engineering, petroleum engineering, and basically the list goes on. The UK universities have strong engineering industry links and they work in close collaborations with many organizations to turn ideas and innovation into reality. For mechanical, you can basically look for big organizations like Rolls-Royce and Jaguar. Then civil engineers can secure their places in companies like Atkins or Keller Group. Similarly, oil and petroleum engineers must target companies like Shell or the very popular British Petroleum. When we talk about software engineers, they can see Tesco and Joral Software as their options, and for electronics it should be Intel or Murphy Richards Limited. So as we can see basically that there is no dearth of opportunities for any engineering students once they achieve their degree from UK universities. Although along with good skills and qualification, networking is a big matter which plays the most important role for students to secure jobs. For that, every UK university has their career hubs or certain councils which help students to create their professional profile, making their CVs, and help students to prepare for job interviews, so that students come to basically know what these organizations are looking for in an eligible candidate. But the methods may differ from one university to another. In the UK, engineers are basically high in demand, creating a wide range of opportunities for international students. By doing this, they transform people, organization, and global economy. Now, when it comes to undergraduate students, UK universities accept international students from different boards ranging from initial A levels, then there is IB, ISC, CBSC, and state boards. Exact entry requirements will vary from one another by course, and some universities will specify certain compulsory subjects like maths, or certain grades are required. The fee structure will basically range from £14,000 to £26,000 per year. I would like to conclude this session by stating that UK shares a rich tradition of quality higher education, excellent research facilities, as well as academic freedom. Now, when it comes to advice, we believe in supporting our students with ample informations and platform which help students to enhance their knowledge regarding these universities and make them accessible to the students. Since quite some time, we have been organizing virtual fairs called the eWEF Eduthon, and tomorrow we are having university delegates coming online for engineering students. So for that, please do register, and for more details, kindly visit our official website. So right now, if you have any questions, please write it in the chat and I shall answer them. Okay, Amit is basically writing that I need help for finance and accounting courses. So absolutely, Amit, you can get in touch with our counselors, or you can personally meet us in the office, or you can call, you can leave your query and your number, your contact number, basically in our chat box. There is Instagram chat box or FB, or in our website, and our counselors will get in touch with you. They will give you all the necessary information regarding the universities and what documents are required, and then we will go ahead with the applications for you. Yes, this is only for is this session only for further engineering? Yes, this session is completely for further engineering. But if you want to get in touch, any student with any background or any course they are looking for, this is for everybody, that please get in touch with our counselors. Leave us messages, leave us your contact numbers, and we will get in touch with you as soon as possible, and will help you throughout with the application process and everything. So anybody has any more questions? I will wait for a few more seconds. If you have any question, please leave it on the chat box. So if you don't have any more questions, okay, I did previously drop my details, but no, we will make sure, Amit, that we contact you as soon as possible, definitely. So anybody else have any questions? What about admissions? So Mayur is basically writing, what about admissions for masters in fall 2021? Mayur, again, as I have said, first thing, that please leave your contact number. We will definitely look for, start applying for either a January intake or the main September intake very early, like within a month or two. You can basically start with your applications. You just have to send us the required documents, and we will start with the applications. And if you leave your contact number with us, our counselors will get in touch with you, and they can do a phone counseling, and they will give you all the necessary details about it. So Ayush is asking, is I-score important for admission in German universities? This is a non-UK question. So sorry, Ayush, I won't be able to answer this question. You can definitely get in touch with our Germany counselors, and they will help you regarding the whole matter. So if you don't have any more questions regarding this session anymore, you can also drop us messages with your queries in Facebook and Instagram, and our counselors will get back to you on those queries. Our branches are basically open in Ahmedabad. Then there is Bangalore branches open, Chandigarh, Chennai, Coimbatore, Delhi, Jaipur, Kolkata, Surat, Vadodara, and Vizag. So you can basically personally visit our office in these cities and meet respective country counselors. Lastly, please stay safe, and if you have any queries, do leave us a message for us, and your queries will be answered as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody. Have a great evening ahead, and I shall see you very soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.